Let me show you how to create professional Gantt chart in Excel within very short time. Gantt chart is nothing but the chart between the activity and duration, in which you plot activity in vertical axis and duration in the horizontal axis. So we have this housing project and we have a lot of activities over here, and we have the start date of each activity, and we need to know what is the end date of the activities that is planned. So I determine here the duration of the activities. So for that we will go through the insert section, and there we will go to the insert column or bar chart section. Here we see this is stack bars. Here we see the start date, and here we see the duration and the activities in this direction, right? But here we have not seen the duration of the each activities. You select the start activity and go to right click, and you can go to select data, right? So for select data you go to the add section. Here we are trying to add the data of duration over here. So series name is duration, and series values are what you have to add in the start date. If you add duration, then it will give the bar chart, right? You can add. Then you go to the horizontal category axis level. Since in your axis level it is showing the 1 3 5, these are the numbers. So but we need the what type of particular activity it is. So for that we can just go here and select the axis level range. So we have selected the axis level range here. Okay, so then go to this, then click OK. So now here you see for this construction project, here we have this type of category, right? Here we see our first tag has been last and our last tag is in first. So for that we need to reverse it. So go to right click, go to format axis, and go to categories in reverse order. Now you see that the categories have been reversed, right? So now we need to remove all these things. We'll select this. Okay, we have select this, and we will go to the fill and line section, and we will say no fill. So but you know it is showing you a rough sketch, right? So you need to format your axis so that you have a good view in your Gantt chart. So for that what you can do is this: you have to go to this horizontal axis and you have to label this. You have to just change this section, right? So go to this format axis and just change the minimum and maximum value. So how you can do the change in the minimum and maximum value? So look, the start of the project is mobilization and setting out of this building, right? So it is starting at 4/1/2026, right? So it is our date, right? So I will just copy here. Okay, and the end date is this one, right? Look, so now we need the value of this one. Okay, and we need the value of this one. So what the value you need is not in date, you can have it in the values, right? So the minimum value is 46113, maximum value is this. So we have to go to this axis format and go to format axis, and there is a minimum value of 46113 and the maximum value of 46270. Yes, so now you can see your project being like this, right? So just change it here. There are some overlappings as well. So like, share and subscribe. Please being. Thanks for watching.